as you saw, that London Gray was a pretty decent paint match. So I'm not really worried about all this. And I have another one of these in the trunk I got from the scrapyard. What I have to find out now is, why did the previous owner, why did he do this? Because I can't, see that? I can't lift the rear passenger window up for some odd reason. So I don't know what's behind, you know, door number 1, but we're gonna have to take this whole thing out, this whole unit out, this window controller, and we're gonna see what's in there. So here we go. That looks so tacky, but I found out, let me bring this back. The door keeps getting away from me, but I still can't, it's still not going up all the way, so I have to get in here. Here. And I'm gonna unplug this and I'm gonna see what's going on. All right, that came off easy enough. I don't see what the problem was, why he put those screws in there. Looks like he had some glue in there too before. I don't know if this just came undone or what. The clip is in good condition, so I don't know why he had those screws there. I don't see anything broke. Oh, this clip must have broke off. Something must have broke off right here. Let me. It's kind of tough to do with one hand. I'm trying to recreate the problem. To see why they did that. All right. And I guess when he was lifting the windows up, he was pulling the whole thing up because there was no clip on the back, and that's why he did that. But like I said, this is an easy fix because, I mean, I could get in here, take these screws off, get in here and see what's going on, but in the interest of time, where is it? Uh-oh. Hold on, let me find it first. In the interest of time, I just went ahead and pulled another one at the scrapyard. So there you have it. This is the other one. It looks like wow, it looks like the clip is broken on this one too, but I'm pretty sure, yup, it broke the same way. Wow, that's crazy. Why would they put the metal clip on this side but not on that? What I'm guessing is I'm gonna have to, maybe I could take this clip off, or take clip off one of them and put it on the rear end of one of the other ones, because I actually probably need to look this part up online. I want to see how this is supposed to look. I have to see how this is supposed to look, because, and this is the good one, the so-called good one that I got at the scrapyard. But it has a lot of glue. It had trim on here somebody took off. Like the other piece I showed you, I repainted. It had a bunch of trim. I had to Dremel off and take all the residue off. But see, the problem is with this one, I can't lift this rear passenger. This one is good. This one is good. But it's the trim. Maybe if I take the internals from this and put it in this one, because the trim is better, and I just have to repaint this trim. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take both of these and make a Frankenstein one and repaint it. Not a big deal. And I'll probably just bring the video back when I get that done. Alright, I think they tried to glue the window switch back down because the piece right here came off, and I think the glue got down in here, and that's why this does not come all the way up. So I'm just going to scrape this glue up, and hopefully that works. Alright, and I think I got it. It now goes all the way up. This one goes all the way up. And I do not even have to use the other one I bought, so now I can resell that. As far as this trim goes, I'm not worried about that. I got the paint match, London Gray. So we're gonna go ahead, respray this, get this back together. I guess I could put this back on now and then pop it back in the car. All right, we're back working on this. Some type of residue. I want to see if that comes off. Should I try to sand that off? I think nail polish remover probably will get the job done. And then the door handle, wrong pocket. And then the door control switch. If I could get the door open this year. You see how it's popping out? So I definitely have to get that fixed. So let me pull this out and we're gonna see what we have to do. All right, so you see I painted this nice little paint match, but the previous owner drilled holes and put drywall screws in here, and I don't want that because it looks ugly. So I am gonna work with this hole that they put here, and I'm gonna try to find something. I got some Legos, but I'm gonna try to find something to put here so that it doesn't pop up on the back end, so it stays in place. I might put something on the side too, since there's a hole right there. I'm gonna work with these holes and try to create some type of clip or something. I tried to use this one clip I had, but this really didn't work out. It didn't give me enough space. Maybe if I put it on the side. There's like not a lot of space in here though. Maybe, oh yeah, but on this side, there's no space on this side. There's actually more space on this side than there is on this side. There's no space at all on this side, and you could tuck all the way under here on this side. So, and there's no space right here. There's no space at all right here. So, whatever has to go in there has to fit perfectly in this little hole. It's about the size of my fingertip. So we'll see.